million-dollar car factory. Raw material preparation. Aluminum, carbon fiber, leather, glass, and precision mills arrive at the factory. Aluminum body panel forming. Large presses shape lightweight aluminum body panels. Carbon fiber component manufacturing. Carbon fiber sheets are layered and cured under controlled heat and pressure. Monocoque assembly. The lightweight structural chassis is assembled and precisely aligned. Robotic body joining. Robots weld, bond, and rivet structural components together. Precision dimensional inspection. Laser measurement systems verify body geometry. Surface preparation. The bare body is cleaned, treated, and prepared for painting. Multi-layer paint application. Robotic spray systems apply primer, color, and protective clear coat. Paint curing and polishing. The body is cured, inspected, and polished to a mirror-like finish. Engine assembly. Precision machined engine components are assembled into the high-performance powertrain. Powertrain installation. Engine, transmission, and drivetrain are installed into the vehicle chassis. Suspension and brake installation. Performance suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and wheels are installed. Interior craftsmanship. Premium leather, carbon fiber, wood, and metal components are handcrafted and installed. Dashboard and electronics integration. Displays, sensors, wiring, and control modules are installed. Glass and exterior trim installation. Windshield, windows, lighting, and exterior details are fitted. Final vehicle assembly. Bumpers, doors, hood, trunk, and aerodynamic components are installed. Computerized quality inspection. Cameras, sensors, and technicians inspect every surface and gap. Dynamic testing. The completed vehicle undergoes braking, steering, suspension, and powertrain testing. Final detailing and delivery. The finished million-dollar vehicle is cleaned, protected, and transported for delivery.